know why I'm doing this anymore. As I don't really think that there's much to solve. But hey, I found it a little funny. Anyway, welcome to the stream everyone, if you are here. Or a video, as I will make this into a video too, for some reason. Hold on just a moment. Yeah. And as I am speaking to no one, I can do whatever I want. So let's just get down to this. I'm sure at least some of y'all have heard of this problem before. A book cost $1 plus half its price. How much does the book cost? There have been a lot of interpretations of this. One such interpretation that I don't even really know how to explain. But I will solve this as I see it. So, we have a book. We'll use X. Oh my god. That's terrible. Can I like increase size? That's much better. We use X to define the book. The cost of the book. So it costs $1 plus 1/2 of its cost, which is X, because its cost is 1 plus 1/2 of its cost. That's how I would set this up. And that's how I've seen it set up, as I will show later. This should be a very, very short video, or stream. And so as you would do in algebra, you simplify by isolating the variable. So you subtract 1/2 of X from both sides. And then the equation turns into, as there's always a variable of 1, a coefficient of 1, whenever there's nothing there. The equation then turns into 1/2 X equals 1. As 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. Alright, so now we have 1/2 X equals 1. And now we just need to solve the rest. So there's the best way to do this is to multiply both sides by the reciprocal to get rid of the 1/2. And the reciprocal of a fraction is just the denominator over numerator. So 2 over 1 on both sides. Because whatever you do to one side, you have to do to both. So now we have 2 over 1. And now we have X equals 2. Alright. So that's how I solve this one. Also, I hope the music's not too loud. I don't know, I'm just thinking of this now. I'm gonna turn it down just a dash. Maybe? Yeah. Well, we are recording now too, so I am going to just splice them together. Alright, well, I am recording now as well. How? Did the internet die again? Okay, well, this is just gonna be a video though. Alright. It seems that I tried too hard. Alright, well this is just gonna be a video. And I might not be able to use all the stuff I plan on using because it died. Alright, so let's quickly go over this. So here's some things from people across the internet that I've asked this question to. Shout out to Gongota, as he makes videos and he answered this question for me. So shout out to him. That was a blessing. And yeah, you can pause and read that if you want. Schrodinger's cost was a nice one. Anyway, enough of this part. We need to get on to the next part before my stream dies. Alright. So here I will just show the proofs. Let's ask ChatGPT. Okay, this very same question. In fact, I'll copy and paste it from when I asked it before. That way I don't have to type it. No, yeah, I will. Alright. That's the exact question. You can pause and read if you need to see. Oh! Oh, ChatGPT came to the same conclusion. But ChatGPT is just a random chatbot, you know? Surely it can't actually do much math. So, let's use a math calculator. And since we can't actually input the whole problem into here, or some may not set it up the same and see that you can do all this. I'm not actually entirely sure how. But so I would just type in the equation. Alright. Not 2x. 1/2 of x. Alright, here we have a AI math calculator. That should be able to solve it. Alright. X equals 2. X equals 2. Here are the solutions, the problem solution steps. Alright, that's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. I even put up some basic rules here just in case anyone needed to read them. For like all of that. And then the best part of it is these videos. Which, shout out to both of them, as they clearly need it in comparison to me. Anyway, enough of my inferiority complex. Let's just see him solve this problem.
Can someone do the math as well as 150? Well, I think I can do the math, so let me give this a try. By the way, this post has almost 30,000 likes on Reddit, so that's okay.
It'll be a short bit.
How much does it cost? I think this is what most people did to get 150. We see the $1 right here, okay, and then plus, we add half its price, half of a dollar is 50 cents. Add them up, we get $1.50, right? No, this is not correct. Why? Because we don't know how much the book costs. The moment you
Actually, that's a pretty important part right there. So I'm going to make sure it's audible.
No, this is not correct. Why? Because we don't know how much the book costs.
There we go. There we go. A lot of people make this argument, but one is not how much the book costs. Which is what this argument depends on.
The moment you put down 1, you're assuming the book costs $1 already. That's why you did the plus 50 cents, right? Half of its price. So it should have been $1, but you're saying that's 150. That's wrong, right? That's wrong.
Because this way, you're making it cost both $1 and $1.50 at the same time, which it can't. It can only have one cost.
We don't know how much the book costs, so that is not valid. It's not $1, it's not $1.50. This is how we can do it. It has 3 parts. Here's the first part. A book.
And he's just gonna do what I did.
Which we don't know, and let's do some algebra. Let's use C for the variable, for the unknown. Then C equal to the cost of the book. So the first part says we have C, all right, and that is going to be equal to $1. So that's the second part right here, $1. So let's just put down 1. And then the third part is saying that plus half its cost. Plus, that means we are going to add half its cost. So 1/2 times.
Alright, and y'all have already seen that part. And here's also another video that I would just leave here, so if y'all are wanting to know further, y'all can find this. Actually, I'll probably put this video in the description because this is going to be part of my video as well. Anyway. So that is my explanation for this, and others' explanation for this. And that's actually pretty much all I have in this video. All I have to say. Here I asked people what the cost is, and got a lot of answers. I used a couple of them. And yeah. Thanks for watching. That's actually all I have for this video. Yeah. I mean, I could talk about some other stuff, which I suppose I will. If anyone is at all curious, it is entirely unrelated to the math stuff. I am in the process of making a game. An RPG Maker game. I just kind of wanted to just get this out there. Say it. And I'm excited for the future of it. And I hope some of y'all will play it. Possibly. Aside from that, I'm also translating, or at least trying to translate Purgatory X to eventually play it. Currently I have a Google AI translation of it, which I might play, as I don't know Japanese. And yeah, that will be all. Have a nice morning, day, night, afternoon, noon, evening, Saturday, or whenever. And goodbye and good night. Or good morning. Or whatever I just said. I'm gonna stop rambling now.